Hi, I'm Nathan and I'm making rice. So
See,
first you gotta get 1/2 of rice.
that's the instant rice.
Yeah.
Okay.
The instant rice. So now put 1/2 in.
Okay, now you need that same amount of water.
Let me turn on the water from cold.
It doesn't matter what. Just make sure you got a full cup there.
Put that in there.
You can stir it up.
Yep. You just gotta push all the rice in now. With a fork.
Okay. Is that good enough?
Nope. Gotta get all the rice in there too.
Okay, now you got to put it in the microwave for how long?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? Now this isn't a high wattage microwave, it's just a regular microwave. Let's see. If you got the high wattage, it might take less, but so I'll pause the video while he's doing that. Press start.
So it bubbles when you cook it. Okay? Now I'm gonna pause. Okay, this is gonna be hot.
Careful. You got to tell them what those things are.
Okay, buy this at the store.
They had these at the dollar store. They're just cover up for the bowls, the plastic. They look like shower things, but they have them at the dollar store.
And
Different sizes.
For
So you put that on the bowl after it comes out of the microwave.
And then wait for 2 minutes.
And then you take it off and your rice is ready. Right? Yep, he did his timer for 2 minutes. Okay, Nathan.